Audio CD 1, Track 3, Word Focus. 1. Check-in counter. There is a long line at the check-in counter.
2. Terminal. Your flight to Memphis will leave from Terminal 2.
3. Sign. You'll have to put that cigarette out. The sign says, "No smoking."
4. Economy class. Economy class tickets are the cheapest tickets the airline has.
5. Aisle. Please don't leave your suitcase in the aisle.
6. Scale. Could you put your bag on the luggage scale?
7. Overweight. I'm afraid your baggage is overweight by 10 kilograms.
8. Limit. Your suitcase exceeds the weight limit. You'll have to pay an extra charge.